In the world of Forex, fundamental analysis is an essential tool that helps you understand how economic, political, and social events influence currency values. Unlike technical analysis, which focuses solely on charts and patterns, fundamental analysis delves into the underlying reasons driving the market. It's like uncovering the engine behind the vehicle of the financial market. Fundamental analysis examines economic factors such as interest rates, inflation, gross domestic product, GDP, employment, and international trade. For instance, if a country raises its interest rates, its currency typically strengthens as global investors seek higher returns. On the other hand, high levels of inflation tend to weaken a currency because purchasing power decreases. Each economic data point provides clues about the future behavior of a currency. A key element of fundamental analysis is the monetary policy set by central banks. Institutions like the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, or the European Central Bank, ECB, significantly impact the Forex market. When these banks announce changes in interest rates or stimulus policies, traders react swiftly, creating market volatility. Staying informed about press releases and central bank meetings is crucial for any trader. Beyond economic indicators, geopolitical and social events also influence the Forex market. Elections, international conflicts, and trade agreements can shift a country's financial landscape within hours. For example, uncertainty during elections may weaken a currency, while the signing of a trade deal could strengthen it. Fundamental analysis offers clear advantages. It provides a deeper understanding of the market by linking currency movements to real-world events. It also helps traders anticipate long-term changes, as economic data tends to have a more lasting impact than short-term technical fluctuations. However, it comes with challenges. Interpreting economic information requires time, expertise, and access to reliable sources. Moreover, market reactions are not always rational. Sometimes, positive economic data may not yield the expected impact due to external factors. For this reason, fundamental analysis should be combined with other trading tools to gain a comprehensive view of the market. Fundamental analysis is indispensable for any trader aiming to navigate the Forex market with an informed approach. Understanding the news and its impact on the market gives you a competitive edge and helps you make more accurate decisions. By mastering this technique, you'll be better prepared to navigate the complex world of trading and maximize the opportunities the market offers.